How to change the system language on your Samsung M32? First of all, open the Settings app on your phone. You can find the gear shift icon either on your home screen or in the app drawer. Next, scroll down and tap on General Management. This section contains options related to language, input, and other system settings. After that, tap on Language. Here you will see your current system language and options to add new language. Now, tap on Add Language. You will see a list of available languages. If your preferred language is not listed, tap on Add Language to find it. Once you select the language you want, a prompt will appear asking if you want to set it as your default system language. Tap Apply to confirm. Your phone will now switch to the new language and you might notice the interface updating immediately. If you want to switch back or try a different language later, just repeat the same steps. And that's it. Now you know how to change the system language in Samsung M32. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.